What if you could enjoy a like-new home without the hassle of building, the construction delays, the long list of projects that need finished after closing? You're going to want to check out this 4-year new home that has all of the major components already finished so you can simply move in and enjoy. It's located in the exclusive Stonebridge area of Meridian Ranch, which offers residents so many benefits, a lifestyle you're going to love. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice how light fills the home. Expansive windows, soaring ceilings, and an open concept floor plan create a space that feels bright, welcoming, and perfect for everyday living. The great room centered around a sleek contemporary gas fireplace creates a warm gathering place, whether you're hosting friends, celebrating holidays, or simply relaxing. The gourmet kitchen was designed for both entertaining and everyday life. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, abundant cabinetry, and an oversized island makes this the natural place to gather. The dining area is filled with natural light and opens directly to the covered deck, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee, summer barbecues, or simply enjoying a quiet Colorado evening. The seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living is one of my favorite features of the home, and it even offers open space and a trail right behind. The spacious primary suite offers room to unwind, and a spa-inspired bathroom features dual vanities and an oversized walk-in shower. The closet is massive and makes everyday living feel comfortable and convenient. The finished walkout basement helps make this home really shine. With high ceiling and tons of natural light, it offers so many options for use. Whether you're envisioning movie nights, watching the big game, creating a playroom, or a home gym, this space offers incredible flexibility. You'll also find 2 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, a bonus room, and a large unfinished room. Outside, everything has already been done for you with landscaping in place, low-maintenance turf yard, an expanded patio, and multiple outdoor living spaces so you can spend your weekends enjoying your home, not working on it. Meridian Ranch offers an incredible community and lifestyle. Residents enjoy recreation centers, pools, parks, miles of walking trails, the private Stonebridge Lodge, and Antler Creek Golf Course, all just minutes from your home. This like-new home offers something that new construction homes simply can't. It's already complete, there's no waiting, and there's no big projects for you to take on. You can simply move in and start enjoying.